Some of you may already be aware of my infatuation with Kranskake, aka Norwegian wedding cake, made with a shockingly simple combination of almond flour, egg whites, and confectioner's sugar. It is a thing of beauty. Here is my first attempt at Kranskake, not a thing of beauty, a kind of a Jabba the Hutt thing. It tasted good though. The key thing is that it's a special event baked good, and most of the people in my family don't have the insane sweet tooth that I do. So to compensate, I have done a mashup, and that mashup is pretzel cocky. Okay, so that doesn't look so good. Oh yeah, I'm so proud of myself. What you do is you make pretzel dough as you would normally. You roll it into ropes and you put it in the Kranskake pans, which you have to buy. Then you boil it in a water and baking soda combination, like you would anything. Egg wash and good flaked salt. That is really important. Bake it in a really hot oven, 450 degrees, and posante. Oh wait, I had some extra, so I made some little babies. Posante, yes. Okay. Yeah. You've come a long way, baby. You have a long way to go.